How are you, dear students? Our lesson today is more line plots. Pages numbers 811 and 812. Let's start with this video.
The essential understanding for this lesson is different types of data can be displayed on a line plot. Line plots are useful for organizing large sets of data. Previously, students measured the lengths of objects to the nearest inch and made line plots to display the lengths of up to 4 objects. In this lesson, students extend their work with line plots to include larger data sets and measurements to the nearest inch or to the nearest centimeter. This problem is key because it requires students to collect a large set of data and then make a line plot to organize the data. Listen and look for students who are unclear about how to set up the number line for a line plot. Having collected their data, some of these students may show on the number line only the numbers in their data set. That is, only the numbers of centimeters for the lengths of the pencils they measured. These students are likely to have missing numbers on their number lines. For example, if these students don't collect any pencil lengths of 11 and 16 centimeters, they do not show the numbers 11 and 16 on the number line. Encourage these students to write numbers on the number line counting by ones before they record any data. Their numbers should include the least and greatest number of centimeters in their data. Listen and look for other students who number the number line appropriately, correctly plot their collected data, and include a title and a label for the numbers. These students demonstrate an understanding of how to use a line plot to organize a large set of data. This prepares them to organize and display data in bar graphs.
So, dear students, with our first question here, collect data and use the data to complete the line plot. Then use the line plot to solve the problems. Here, measure the length of your pencil in centimeter and collect pencil length data from your classmates and make a line plot with that data. So we have here the number line. The first thing you should do here, you will write the number increasing by ones. So here we write 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 to number 20. And you can collect pencils. Here in our question we have 10, just one pencil length equal 10, and we have 2 pencils equal 12 centimeter, and we have 4 pencils equal 13, and so on. So the title here is pencil lenses, and our label is number of centimeters. With another question, what is the length of the longest pencil? What is the length of the longest pencil? Do you remember the number line? This number line. So here, what's the longest pencil? What's the length of the longest pencil? We have here from 10 to 18. So our longest pencil here equal 18 centimeter. Another question, what is the length of the shortest pencil? What's the least number here? It's 10 centimeter. Excellent. So here's the longest pencil equal 18 centimeter and the shortest one equal 10 centimeter. Question number 7. What is the difference in length between the shortest and the longest pencil? That's mean subtraction. So you will subtract 10 from 18. So it's 18 minus 10, which equal 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. Question number 8 here. What is the most common pencil length? What does that mean? What does the question mean here? That's mean in which number from 10 to 18 you have more plots or more dots here. Look to number 13. You have 4 plots here. 4 plots here. So here is number 13. That number is the most common pencil length. We have 4 pencils equal, or its length equal 13 centimeters. So we choose here 13 centimeters. With another question, use these words to complete the sentence. And what here can help you to see, or can help you see the data. What? A longest or line plot or order? Excellent. It's a line plot. Can help you to see the data in order. Excellent. So here we will write line plot can help you see the data in order. A line plot makes it easy to see the shortest and excellent longest objects. Excellent, dear students. With another video here, listen to it carefully.
How can you organize large amounts of data? Let's find out. Some students measure their heights. They record the data in a table. Are there any patterns in the data?
You can make a line plot to look for patterns.
What do the numbers in the table represent?
Select your answer.
The numbers represent the heights of the students. How is this table different from the tables you used in the last lesson? This table lists each student's height instead of listing the names of students and their heights. To make a line plot, draw a number line and write a title and labels to fit your data. Then place a dot in the line plot for each number in the table. A line plot helps you organize data. What do you notice about the data on the line plot? You can see that most of the students are 49 inches tall or less. Which height is the most common?
Select your answer.
The most common height is 49 inches. You know this because on the line plot, the number 49 has the most dots above it. Now you know how to use line plots to organize large amounts of data.
So, dear students, with another question here. Use the data in the table to complete the line plot. Then, use the line plot to solve the problems. Here we have numbers of crayon lenses in centimeter. We have 6, 7, 7, 5, 8, and another numbers here. So, you want to use number line to put your dots or line plots. So, if you count these numbers, you will find we have here 4 from number 5. You can find here 1 if you count them, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we'll put 4 dots here on number 5. And number 6, if you count them, you will find here we have 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have here number 6, you should put 7 dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And the same with number 7 and the same with number 8, the same way. So our title here is crayon lenses and our label is number of centimeters. So with another question, how many crayons are longer than 5 centimeters? Explain. Here you need to remember your number line. That's it. The question is how many crayons are longer than 5 centimeters? Here is this number 5 centimeters. So we have here number 6 and 7 and 8. So how many crayons here? This dot means the number of crayons. So we have here 6 and we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here we have 5. And here in number 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will add them together, 7 plus 5 plus 4 which equal 16. So 7 crayons are 6 centimeters long and 5 crayons are 7 centimeters long and 4 crayons are 8 centimeters long. When you add them together 7 plus 5 plus 4 equals 16. With another question, measure the length of the blue crayon to the nearest centimeter and write the length blue. So if you use your centimeter ruler, you will find this crayon equals 6 centimeters. The second question here, record your measurement on the line plot above that you made in item 10. Do you remember your number line on item 10? That's it. And we have here blue crayon with 6 centimeters. So we'll put extra dot on number 6. So we'll put here plot or dot on number 6. So it's now 8 dots. Excellent, dear students. Don't forget our homework, pages numbers 813 and 814. See you tomorrow.